is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this natural, glowing, flawless makeup look using very affordable makeup, the best makeup from the drugstore. That is Essence Cosmetics. I am trying out 2 of their new products. I am trying out the Magic Filter Glow Booster as well as the What a Tint Lip and Cheek Tint, and using all Essence products on the face today to create this makeup look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these products perform, then just keep watching. All right, let's try these products out. I love that Essence will kind of make their products resemble the higher end dupes, which is cool. Like, I knew right away this was a dupe for the Benetint, and I was so excited to try it out. And this one is Magic Filter, so a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless Filter. Again, Essence is my favorite drugstore brand to use for its affordability and for how well the product works. So I got this in the shade medium tan. I probably would have went for light medium. They didn't have it, but got a little bit of a glow going on from the summer, so that is good. So it says illuminating face fluid with a sheer coverage for perfected softened complexion. Use alone under makeup or on top for a natural glow. So similar to the Flawless Filter. So let's get into this and see how well it performs. I have high expectations because Essence just, I love all the products from them. I love that it comes out in a little pump too. Okay, I'm just gonna dot this on the face and then blend it out with a brush. It feels creamier than the Flawless Filter and the one from Rimmel that I use, Rimmel, however you say it, the Multitasker Better Than Filters. This feels creamier for sure. So let's see how this blends out. Feels really hydrating too. And this is actually the perfect shade for me right now. And just the perfect makeup for me to be wearing right now. When it's hot and humid, you don't want to have a lot on the skin. So yeah, that is looking really, really nice. I want to swatch the Flawless Filter on my hand or on my wrist beside this. Yeah, that looks really beautiful on the skin. Flawless, sheer coverage, glow boosting, complexion smoothing. So we got our Flawless Filter and then our Magic Filter from Essence. So just want to blend it out on the hand. You're not going to get a good visual, but I just want to kind of blend them out and just see how they feel. So one thing about the Magic Filter is it feels like more of a serum, like more of a cream, which I like. And actually blend it out, again, it's hard to see, but just blend it out a lot more sheer on the skin than the Flawless Filter did. So that's actually surprising. It just kind of blended right into the skin, has a creamier finish than the Flawless Filter. Doesn't look as makeup-y either. Okay, the face is feeling glorious. Loving that right now. Actually so surprised seeing them side by side, how smooth and creamy the Magic Filter looks. So for my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer with Aloe Vera. This has no added fragrance, silicone, mineral oil, and is vegan. And I have this in the shade light medium, I believe. Yeah, light medium. So it's buildable, medium coverage, creamy texture with aloe vera. And this one is really, really nice as well, you guys. If you're looking for a nice drugstore concealer, between this one and the Maybelline Fit Me They are the best. Just gonna go into those dark crevices around the eyes. And it's very buildable. I feel like Essence is the new e.l.f. It's more affordable and just performs so well. Looks so pretty on the skin. Just illuminates without being overly coverage. That doesn't make sense. Just without looking overly makeup-y, but illuminates that inner corner. For my contour, I'm going to go in with my Essence Contouring Duo Stick and the shade Light. And I'm going to use this one today just because we're doing Essence, so I'm just going to continue with the Essence train today. All Essence all the time. In and contour my nose. This blends out so nicely. It just, with a brush, just smooth over the skin beautifully. This is what I mainly use this concealer or this contour stick for, is my nose and around my lips, because it's just the perfect size to get into those smaller areas and make more precise lines with. And look at on the lips, just natural, makes them look bigger. For my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Essence Baby Got Bronze in the shade Cinnamon Spice. And I'm just gonna go in with a brush this time and just apply it that way. And this smells so delicious and gives you such good pigment. Like, it's so good. It's so pigmented and creamy. And it just looks really nicely paired with the cool bronzer or the cool contour, and then this warm golden bronzer over top. And like the skin, our skin is glowing from the magic filter. I'm gonna line my lips with my Essence lip pencil in the shade Legendary. I'm going in with the highlighting part of my contour wand and just highlighting some areas of the face, just my nose, inner eyes. Just gonna highlight this area right above my cheekbone. It's just gonna elongate the eye and make it look less downturned. All right, let's get into the What a Tint. And they had a few shades, or a couple shades, I think. I went for Kiss from a Rose. So blend quickly with fingertips, stains the skin. Okay, thank you for letting me know. All right, let's see. Okay, so it's got more of a doe-foot. I'm just gonna like dot it on my lip. Okay, that gives a nice berry stain. It smells good. I love that they make their products smell good. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay. Oh yes. It's stronger in person. It is a strong stain, so a little bit goes a long way. So pretty. So natural. Let's add a little bit more to the outside of this cheekbone. Oh, it's gorgeous. And a little bit more on the lips. She pretty. I put on a little bit of mascara to finish the look. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am in love with these two products. If you want to get the effect of the Tint and the Hollywood Flawless Filter for a fraction of the cost, try these ones out from Essence. I will link them in the description box and the comment section. Try them out. Try them out. You will not be disappointed. My makeup looks so flawless and natural and feels great and smells great. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys again soon.